Need to turn some photos into one PDF file, maybe for school, document, receipt, or sharing easier in one file. Today I will show you how to convert multiple images to PDF on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Gallery. Select the photo you want to convert. Tap Create at the bottom. Then select Save as PDF. Pick the page order. You can choose default or reverse. As the example, let's select reverse so that the PDF will put the last selected image first and goes backward. Tap the three dots. Select Save as File. Then select PDF file. Choose the folder to save. Tap Done. Rename the file if you want and then tap Save. And that's it. Now your photos are combined into a single PDF ready to send, upload, or keep tidy in your files. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.